that's how passionate I am when it comes to basketball. Even though you're leading or you're losing, so I want them to do what we're supposed to do. And we're so lucky tonight because we have a good start. And then, if you can see it, nasabi ni CJ, at the start, meron siyang 4 points agad. And then nasundan pa ni Rosales. And imagine this, these 3 players, Jeff Perez, Jericho Cruz, Rodiano, as they're averaging 18 minutes, but their average point is 20. Okay, and I'm so happy with them because lahat sila pumutok tonight. And then we have parang happy time dito sa basketball na ito. And then nakikita naman natin mga players, even Junmar, so he's not looking to score anymore. He's looking to assist. Maybe napansin niya, malapit na siya mag-triple-double. Yan, nakuha niya yung triple-double. And it's another record for him. But overall, it's a team effort, especially yung bench namin. If you notice, talagang tambak yung first group namin sa second group. 107 points versus 51. That's 60%, 66% ang output namin galing sa bench. And then, makikita mo naman during the playoffs talagang inaasahan ko yung bench. And then, this is what happened tonight.
Are there any questions?
First, congratulations, sir. At least nice reviews after you see your start. Because of how to avoid the long break.
Yeah, before the game, that's what I told to them. Kailangan meron tayong bago dumating itong break na ito. And then a lot of them asking a long break, but it's not a vacation, it's a break because our next game will be against Propetex, and we are not assured of anything yet. In order for us to get into the top 4, which is our target, so we need to have at least 8 wins. So more or less naman, alam naman nila yun. That's why yung break namin, gagawin namin for us to be consistent and to get to the top 6 because after our next 4 games, it will be a playoff game.
Ano mo yung mga players mo ngayon sa Liga?
Yeah, kinakausap ko na sila, tinatanong ko kailan sila aalis, and then kailan mag-train. I think next Tuesday, mag-start na train. Jericho will fly to Guam because kalaban ng Gilas Guam, and I think mag-training sila doon. And then of course, it's not a vacation naman and more or less, alam mo naman nila yung nangyayari sa game. And that's why I'm relying more on the bench, and that's why we need to be consistent in what we are doing.
Ano lang yung parang mindset mo nung marami na naman nasa Miguel? Mayroon pa na kung stay focused kahit tampak na yung
yun din yung maganda sa akin kasi dahil natin yung we're already the game, nag-focus pa rin kami, and syempre it's basketball, ano lang naman mangyayari. So, hanggang hindi pa natapos yung laro ko,
Sino kayo babalik sa training? Meron akong schedule?
Yeah, so I think Monday will be back, and I will give them 4 days just to recharge because those national players will be out next week, and they will be in the training also. But it's a habit forming. Hindi kailangan because we need to have a lot of things to do because we anticipate the things the other teams doing because during that more than 2 weeks, I think most of the teams will spend that time to strengthen and to recharge and to get into top shape because going to the playoffs, and we don't want to be caught complacent.
DJ, kung maganda na
hindi nasa kaya po natin. Last time namin na-fulfill.
I think, actually, hindi pa naman siya sobrang 100% yung injury, pero malapit na. And yun, pag-break sa Gilas, gusto na gawin is na makatulong sa team. And alam ko naman ako yung magulong, so tutulong na ako kung ano yung tulong. And siyempre, sabi ko nga, it's possible, hindi natin natin kung ano mangyayari. And hopefully, maganda yung maganda yung mga natin sa ako.
Alam na rin sa Gilas na makakalaban ng si Jericho Cruz sa qualifiers na nalang tingin dun sa matchup yun.
Kinukontrata ako kasi parang mas madali. Ano, parang, siyempre si Jericho, iba yung role nito, di ba? Siya yung kaibigan din ng mga player. Proud ako doon kasi iba yung role na dito ay nakakapag-adjust siya sa club. So, yun yung matchup naman doon, siyempre